Down in Augusta, Georgia, we have our first real scandal in a long time. We have Ronald Roundtree. Is it Ronald or Richard? Richard Roundtree. He basically running for sheriff, you know what I'm saying? He beat out Scott Peebles, and you know, it's going down and it's looking good, but all of a sudden, out of nowhere, he's being accused of vote buying. And when I first heard the story, I thought vote buying, okay, he must be giving people, you know, a bunch of money, you know, to vote. And then I found out he was offering cars, and I was like, wow, I would have voted. But check out the story and how it went down. Wait. Once you check out the story and how it went down, it's on the Disgusta 706 YouTube joint. Through the YouTube, you'll see that the lady says another person who everybody know in Augusta, Georgia for giving you some raggedy cars, he sold me a car, I ain't had no engine. He told me to run and everything. Oh, it's perfect. He basically offered her a car to get 5 people to vote. That's not worth the car. What is that? That's, oh yeah, that's like $100 each, and that's probably his car. To get 5 people to vote. And what's crazy is the lady said she actually got up out and voted, and she wouldn't even got up out of her bed to vote if it wasn't for that car. What kind of shit is that? Not only that, I don't even think he said it like that. I think he said it more doubting her and her friends would even vote. He was like, hey, I tell you what, if you can get you and 5 friends to go down there and vote, I'll give you a car. I'll give you any car on the lot. And she was like, deal, bet, run it, and then left. But anyways, check out the news clips, man. World Star Hip Hop, here we come, man. Because this is some scammer, man. So, Disgusta 706 is Augusta because we down here, we ratchet. Joe Kane, the comedian.